Hello friends, welcome to this video on forms in PHP. In web applications, forms are used to collect user input, and the forms can range from login, registration, contact, search, survey forms, and many more. Forms provides an interface between the user and the server. As you might know that we can create forms using HTML, but the data that user enters into the forms is processed using a server-side programming language like PHP. So we can use PHP to save or fetch data from the server. When a form is displayed to the user and user adds their data into the form, to send data to the server, user clicks the submit button. Server validates the data and then saves it into the database. The communication between the server and the client, that is our browser, is performed using HTTP protocol. And we have different methods in HTTP that are get, post, put, delete, and patch. So in this video, we will learn about get and post HTTP method. The get method is used to fetch data from the server, but the post method sends data from the HTML form to the server. We need to upload a file to the server. We can only do so by using a post method. Here we need to keep in mind that all the browsers implement limitations on the length of the query string or the data that we can send using a get. The data that is sent using get method is displayed in the browser address bar, while the post method sends the data as a part of our request body. So first let us see how a post method works. So first of all, we need to create an HTML form, and inside HTML form over here we have provided two parameters. First is the action parameter. Action is equal to login.php, and the second is the method equal to post. Action parameter determines that the data that user will enter into this form that will be submitted to login.php. If we omit this action parameter, the data will be submitted to the same page where this form is created. Method equal to post means that the data will be sent as a part of body and will not be displayed in the URL of. When user clicks the submit button, PHP stores all the posted values into an associative array called $_post. But keep in mind that the name of the form fields is used in $_post array as keys, and the size of the data that we can send to the server using a post method is determined by post_max_size parameter in php.ini file. We can see an example text box. So it says input type equal to text and its name is email. Now this name will be used as a key to the $_post array in PHP. And once the form is submitted, we can get the data of this input field using $_post, and inside $_post array we have to use the same name that we have given to the input field. Let us view and code an example. We have created a form with action equal to subscribe.php and its method equal to post. Inside a paragraph tag, we have created an input type text and its name is name. Next, we have created an input type equal to text with the name email. And in the last, we have added a submit button. So when user presses the submit button, whether $_post array contains the submit button as well. Inside this if block, we print the name of the user by using a $_post, the array brackets, and inside array brackets we use the name key as we have used the name for our input type. And in the next line, the email address of the user is printed by using $_post, and inside the array email key is used as we have used for the input type equal to text. Open your favorite text editor and create a folder php-forms inside www folder of WAM. Next, create a file index.php inside this folder. So first we will create a form. Open the browser and type localhost/php forms. But make sure that your WAMP or XAMPP server is running. You can see that our form is created, and let us add some PHP code. But before adding PHP code, we can add placeholders as well. Inside the form, I will add method equal to post. For action parameter, I want to post this data to this same page. So I'm going to add index.php as the value to the action parameter. On the top of the page, I will add PHP tags. As we have discussed previously, that once this form data will be posted to PHP, data will be stored inside this $_post array. First, we'll check that if the submit button is pressed. I will save this file and refresh the browser. Let me add some data. I will press submit button, and you can see that the form data is printed over here in the form of an array. So let us print the user posted data over here. We can assign the data posted by the user inside different variables. So the message is printed with the user entered data. The $_get superglobal array is used to collect the data from the form that was sent using method equal to get. The information sent via the get method is visible to everyone as the information is displayed in the address bar of the browser. Next, let us see an example form where our action is index.php and method is get. And we have created two input type text with the name first name and the name age. And last we have added a submit button. So once user clicks the submit button, the data is posted to the server. Unlike post method, here the data is posted as a query string. So first name and the age values are also part of the URL. I will change the method of this form that we created earlier to get, and we'll keep the other form fields as same. I will comment out this code. We are using $_get array to print the values entered by the user. I will refresh the page. And $_get array has printed the values and the message with the data is printed over here. The $_request superglobal array contains the contents of $_get, $_post, and $_cookie. We can use $_request when the data is submitted either using method equal to post or method equal to get. I will comment out this code and will display the data using $_request. So after exploring $_request, let us see that when it is better to use method equal to get or method equal to post. Get method should not be used when you are sending sensitive information like passwords, because the data will be displayed as a part of URL and it can be bookmarked. But as we discussed earlier, that suppose if you are working on a search page, then it is better to use the get method. And the data that we send using the post method is not visible in the address bar of the browser. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. We will explore how to save data into the database in the coming lessons. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.